Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Before we get started, don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. If you haven't already, I appreciate every like, every comment, and every single subscriber. Go ahead and grab your favorite drink and let's get started. All right, so this is a Temu haul. You obviously know that because you already saw the title. But I do want to be completely honest. I did apply for their influencer, I guess, program thing. So they actually gave me $40 that I can use to do a video on. But I actually didn't even use the $40. I used like 25. I only really wanted to get things that I know that I would use until the next time that I decide to, get something. And then other than that, everything else I purchased with my own money. I do actually like Temu. I do find some pretty good things on there. The only thing I would have to say is I don't play the games. They just want you to share and share and share and share, and it feels never ending. So I just literally shop, and that's it. I don't try to get all the free stuff. I might once in a while, just try to see, but it's just never ending, so I just don't do that. But yeah, let's go ahead and show you guys what I picked out for free first. All right, so one thing that I got to show you guys in a reel, I already put it in here, but they are these little hair bows for my toddler. They're perfect sizes, guys. The Amazon ones are smaller though, so the Amazon ones that I've purchased are smaller, and these are the Temu ones, which honestly I don't mind. She's gonna get bigger anyways. But yeah, that's the first thing I got. So I got a nice, variety. I got a nice range of different colors. And the next thing I got is actually a set. So the set comes like this. So I got these because I personally love moisturizers that come with a pump. If you've ever had the Inkless, the old formula, or if you've ever had Drunk Elephant, also the older formula, I believe it does actually come in a pump. So I love that I can literally fill this up with whatever I want and just pump it out. I love that it actually comes with 3 and it was very, 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 very affordable. So I'm so excited to fill those out with my moisturizers. And then the set also came with 2 of these. I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to put in them yet, but it came with these. So I was like, I'll take it. The other thing that I did also get is something for the front of my daughter's car seat to like draw on. I didn't notice until later on that it actually doesn't fit my car seat. It's actually too small. But I think it's still good to like use, like if she's sitting down in a chair and she wants the color and there's not a table, I will still use it for something. Just unfortunately, it did not fit my car seat. And then the last thing that I did order was actually this. I do have stuff in it right now, so let me go ahead and take it out so that I can show you guys better. All right, so it is actually this. So it is for brushes. You can see that there. I love that it actually, twists around. I already have my brushes. I always kind of have my makeup kind of packed already for travel. I always do, and I switch it out if I love something a lot to always have it full. You never know. But yeah, I love this. This is probably my most favorite thing that I picked out. And you just kind of wrap it around so the brushes don't come out. It's nice and sleek, and I love it because a lot of my brush holders are so dirty and disgusting, and I don't have to worry about that with this. And this was an actual set, so I did already put my sponge in it. And I love that it has little holes because then, keep everything nice and not like, full of bacteria. And again, you could clean the inside. Love, love, love that. So those are the 4 things that I got that were sent to me that were for free. Now let's go ahead and get into the things that were not for free and I spent my own money on. So kind of going to match this, I did want one that I could put eyeliners in and stuff. So I just picked out one of the ones that actually, focus on me. One of the ones that's actually not like, with the zipper or anything like that. So hopefully that this kind of sticks in. I just really wanted something that I could keep it and organize it, and it's the same kind of color as these. I know it's not even really, it's a little bit darker. There we go. I feel like you guys were a little bit too close to me. And then I also got this bag. I did show it in the reel as well. I did just actually pick up a Amazon one because I do want to do a comparison, because although I love the concept and the look of it, it does have this little space in between that I don't like, because the makeup just goes everywhere. I really wish that there was actually a zipper on the side here, because when I move it in and I open it, everything just kind of falls all over the place. I know a lot of people love that they can just open it and they can just see everything. I don't love opening it and everything's a complete mess of how I actually packed it. That's just personal preference. But again, I did order one also from Amazon to see if maybe the comparable Amazon one may be a little bit better, even though this was like $5. But I could totally use this for my daughter and put a whole bunch of stuff in it when we travel that she can play with. And just like that, close it. And yeah, it is cute though. I just don't like that personally, just, me. And then I also picked up this. So some of these I did get actually from Temu, but the other ones are actual, like, Croc brand stuff. But is this basically the holder? I absolutely love this. I love that I can see them. Like, my daughter even likes kind of like playing with this, takes them out, puts them back in. I think this is great. I actually usually have it hanging right there, but since fall is coming, I'm going to take that down. But yeah, I like it. I like that it's simple. I could even fold it up and keep it like this, kind of fold it like this and put it away. And these are all my Croc charms. I really thought that was really cool. So yeah, I got that. All right, so I did get this for my daughter, and her crayons are already in there. I just kind of took it out of her room. But it is just basically a crayon cup. It does kind of come up, so you do have to be careful with this. But again, it is like a plastic. Oops. Oh, it is like a plastic, and it goes in and out pretty quickly. But I really did like this. I might get a couple of other shades because I do think they're really cute and useful. All right, so again, I have actually everything else in a little bag, but another thing that I did pick up, kind of going with the same theme, is this bag. So I'm not exactly sure why I got this, to be honest with you. I don't know if I am going to place the makeup in here, or I'm going to use this for my daughter's like little coloring books and crayons for when we go out for our diaper bag. I'm not sure yet. I just thought it was a really cute bag and I wanted it, to be honest. And I just love that it's so easy to clean and I don't have to worry about it. All right, so then I also got this bronzer highlight contour kit. Y'all, this thing is tiny. I really thought this was going to be a lot bigger. I have not tried it on yet, but I did swatch it and I was not impressed at all. I have actually a couple of other things that I loved for them. I would not recommend that one, but I do recommend this guy. And I have the bronzer. Okay, this bronzer actually that I showed in my last haul, and then this one as well. And I do also very much love this one as well. It's like everything you shop in general. There's hits and misses. Unfortunately, that one was a miss for me. All right. So then the next thing I got, I honestly don't even know why I got this. But I got shoe bandages basically for the back of your shoe in case you're walking too much and it hurts. Yeah. So I got this for my husband. So he actually wears contacts occasionally. But you can see my daughter's Barbie right there. Anyways, so it's for the contacts, for the solution. This was very, very affordable, and I thought it was perfect for travel and just to have again in our travel case, just in case, because you never know. You will always hear from me. You will never know. I got these cases. I should have just got a matching set from the brushes one, but this is basically for these sponges that I actually just got a new little dual pack from Amazon to keep them in here for travel because they're for powder, or you can use it. I know some people use it for a foundation, but just to keep it nice and clean in here and not get your whole makeup bag dirty, because it's like not fun. I got this little cute keychain. Honestly, it's basically memory, so you just kind of have to click it. My daughter, my toddler, loves this. It does have a cute little keychain, but she actually loves this. I also got this one. So when I got this one, I was so excited because I've seen this everywhere. But it didn't work. So when I first got it, it did not work. They actually refunded me the money because it didn't work. And then it fell. And I never took out the batteries that I put in, and it started working. I was like, wow. Okay. So, I mean, my daughter likes it. It's basically memories again. It really doesn't feel like any kind of like if it works, honestly. I don't know. It doesn't really feel like it works, but I thought it was something, fun. I also picked up these guys. Now you wonder why I got two sizes. That day, for some reason, they gave me one for free, which I was like, so it is basically a travel cup, which I am going to keep in our diaper bag. But yeah, it's just like a little cup. I haven't tried it out with water yet. I need to try it out to make sure it doesn't spill everywhere once you grab it. But yeah, I need to get a little keychain for it so I could keep it on our bag, but I thought it was really, really cute. And then I got the smaller one for free, which I don't mind. Again, my toddler could probably use it. But this was pretty affordable too. But yeah, I don't know. I might just get the Amazon one because I feel like this might not be as sturdy as I want it to be, but we'll see. I also got this bag. As you guys could tell, I've been having a green mint kind of phase. Thought it was super duper cute, looking like Stony Clover kind of style. I don't even know what I got this for. I just feel like it's a really good size. I even put pads in here or make this a first aid kit. I'm not 100% sure, but I thought it was really cute. And the zipper is really sturdy. It doesn't even feel like cheap. The next thing I got, yeah, so I got two things that I'm probably going to show you in another video. But it is basically paper Halloween ornaments. Yeah, I plan on doing a Hocus Pocus tree, so you guys gonna know that first now. So I got these. I got 2 packs, and then I also got this guy, which I thought was going to be a little bit different. But the plan was to put it on that wall right there. But I honestly think I might put it on our window, or maybe even right here in front of me. Not sure. Or in our front window from the house, and then put our blue light so that it can glow. But it's supposed to be, Hocus Pocus. Not really, but it is, I guess, their version of Hocus Pocus. But it is like super duper cute. And it is so much bigger than I thought it was going to be. So I'm excited for that. It's a lot bigger than I thought it was going to be. All right, so next are some little things. The next thing I got is Charlotte Tilbury dupes. Yeah. So I have the mini Charlotte Tilbury powder. This is the Temu dupe. So the 2 actually matches the 2 in Charlotte Tilbury. No, I'm sorry. The 1 actually matches the 2 in Charlotte Tilbury, and the 1 is actually lighter. So yeah, so this is actually what they look like. All right, so this is actually 2, and this is actually 1. You can even tell. I put a little bit on, honestly. Maybe to keep in your purse, just in case, for a little bit of touch up. It does come with a teeny tiny little sponge thing that I think my daughter took. I was so disappointed when I saw these guys. I'm not even gonna lie. But I could keep them in my purse, and if I need a touch up, but it's not. I mean, they're like $1 or something, but I was really disappointed. Yeah. And then the last thing I picked up, which I haven't tried yet because I honestly don't know if it's going to fit. But so my husband takes the Stanley cup to work for his coffee. He always spills it all over the place. So I purchased on Amazon this kit, which basically this goes on. Let me see, focus here. So basically, this one goes on the cap. This goes where the little spout thingy is, where the little hole is, and then this one goes on the bottom. Basically, it's just so you don't spill. But I also got it on Temu, but they're a big dramatic difference in size. So this is Amazon, and this is Temu. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. Okay, like this. Amazon, Temu. And then this one. I honestly don't think they're going to fit, if I'm being 100% honest, but we'll find out. But yeah, that is it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoy. If you guys have tried anything from Temu, let me know what you guys like. Again, it is hit or miss. Sometimes you get things that you're like, yes, this is awesome, great deal. And sometimes you're like, honestly, I feel like the same thing is with Amazon, but so much easier to return. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.